Welcome to Wise Learn. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential phrasal verbs along with their meanings and example sentences. Listen closely and repeat after me to help memorize these key expressions. Ask out. Ask out. Meaning: to invite someone to go on a date. Sentence: he asked her out to dinner last Friday. Bring up. Bring up. Meaning: to mention a topic or issue. Sentence: she brought up the issue of salary during the meeting. Call off. Call off. Meaning: to cancel something. Sentence: they called off the picnic due to the rain. Carry on. Carry on. Meaning: to continue doing something. Sentence: despite the interruptions, she carried on with her speech. Come across. Come across. Meaning: to find or encounter by chance. Sentence: I came across an old photo album while cleaning. Come up with. Come up with. Meaning: to think of or create an idea or solution. Sentence: she came up with a great idea for the project. Drop off. Drop off. Meaning: to take someone or something to a place and leave them there. Sentence: I dropped the kids off at school this morning. Get along. Get along. Meaning: to have a friendly relationship with someone. Sentence: they get along well and always have fun together. Get over. Get over. Meaning: to recover from an illness, emotional upset, or shock. Sentence: it took her months to get over the breakup. Give up. Give up. Meaning: to stop trying or quit. Sentence: he gave up playing the guitar after a year of lessons. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.